जब इरादा बना लिया ऊंची उड़ान का, बेफजूल है कद नापना आसमान का। ऐसे बुलंद इरादे रखने वाली आज है मेरी स्पेशल गेस्ट। यस, टुनाइट my special guest for the grand finale episode of Live Connect is the vice captain of Women in Blue. This girl is someone who is a house of talent. Well, I met her last year in the month of July, where she looked very calm and quiet. But when I saw her post on Instagram, she is a total entertainer. But all I can tell you is होने वाला है खूब सारी मस्ती और धमाल, because she is Smriti Mandana, and I know how many of you love her. I saw the kind of love that came pouring in for her. Stay tuned, guys, because now I am sending a request to someone who's passionate about cricket.
Hi,
What's up, Smriti? How
how
are
are
you,
you?
girl? Welcome to
I'm
Live
good, I'm
Connect.
good. Thank you.
Mummy, ये पीछे से हटना, that blooper of yours,
Oh.
dude. It's gone so viral. And
Well, I actually didn't expect, and I didn't know that they're going to put it as blooper because we were shooting Double Trouble initially quite a lot. So, like, all these things are going to happen because people at home are not used to that. I'm shooting at a place, and I was shooting near kitchen area because that was the area with a good light. So my mom is
okay.
always going to come. I think that happened quite a lot of times, 10, 15 times, and that's just put once.
Oh, but it is very very cute and very real. वैसे ही आप नेशनल क्रश ऑफ इंडिया, और
Uh,
इतना रियल आपको देख के लोगों ने इतनी अच्छी रिएक्शंस, इतना प्यार दिया है आपके लिए, और वैसा ही प्यार वी सॉ for all the women cricketers at the T20 World Cup in Australia, the Women's World Cup. The people flooded the stadiums. Tell me, how did the girls feel, playing in front of such a gigantic crowd?
Yeah, I think it was a very good experience for the whole team. I think before going to Australia, we knew that the finals day is going to be special because the way Cricket Australia and ICC were promoting it. So we were quite expecting that kind of crowd. So it wasn't like something which we hadn't expected because that was something the figures were always coming in front on some social media sites that these many people are going to attend. So for us, it
Uh-huh.
was like, okay, we have to be in the stadium, play in front of that number of crowd. So yeah, I think it was a very good feeling just to. I remember I had played a match at MCG, I think in 2015 when we had toured Australia, and
Mhm.
the stadium was empty. I don't think there was a single spectator. So I was like, oh, this is such a huge stadium, but what if it fills one day? And I was like 18 or 19 year old. And cut to like 5 years later, it's completely filled. So when I saw it, I was like, oh, yeah, that's nice. Like something we all have to be really proud as a women cricket in the whole, like the whole fraternity, I think, just to get that 86,000 crowd.
I'm sure I was so happy, and I'm sure how encouraging it must have been for you guys too, right?
Yeah, I think yeah, that was quite encouraging, and it didn't definitely didn't bother us when we were batting or we were bowling. Though a lot of people thought that we couldn't, we thought we were a bit nervous, but that wasn't the case. We all were really excited and happy about it. But yeah, as you said, it was a very memorable moment for all of us to just be a part of that match.
जिन्होंने भी बोला है यू आर नर्वस, उनको पकड़ के मारो, क्योंकि जैसे परफॉर्मेंस आप लोगों ने दी है, आई डोंट थिंक यू गाइस वर नर्वस एट ऑल. इनफैक्ट आई वुड लाइक टू आस्क यू, व्हाट आर द थिंग्स दैट कैन बी डन इन इंडिया टू ब्रिंग दैट काइंड ऑफ एक्साइटमेंट एंड एंथुसियाज्म अमंग द क्राउड एंड गेट देम टू द स्टेडियम?
Well, I think last 2 years, especially after 2017, जब भी हम इंडिया में खेले हैं, we have got that kind of crowd. Not, I wouldn't say 86,000. I don't think उतना बड़ा stadium अभी तक है. It's going to come up, but we had a full house in Surat when we played, and the crowd was. I think Indian 25,000 crowd is as loud as Australian 86,000 crowd because we couldn't hear anything. At least in MCG, we were able to hear each other. So yeah, that way I think in India as well, even in Jaipur when we played the IPL women IPL exhibition matches, I would say that's a we had a full house. So yeah, we are kind of getting like a lot of support in India as well. Yeah, and I think if we keep marketing it the way BCCI is doing at the moment, we'll definitely get good crowds in India because all the people in India support us a lot. So, and they all are really crazy about cricket. So, yeah.
एब्सोल्युटली, ये सुनकर मुझे इतना अच्छा लगा है स्मृति. इनफैक्ट एवरीबडी हु आर स्मृति's फैंस, आई थिंक 2.2 मिलियन यू हैव ऑन इंस्टाग्राम, प्लीज उतने ही सारे जाके स्टेडियम को भर दो जब ऑब्वियसली लॉकडाउन खत्म हो जाएगा और स्टेडियम खुल जाएंगे एंड देन यू गेट अ चांस टू वॉच द मैच. प्लीज, आईड लाइक ऑल ऑफ यू टू सपोर्ट women cricket एंड आई फील वेरी वेरी प्राउड व्हेन आई सी दैट. लेकिन अभी बारिश का मौसम चल रहा है एंड द वेदर इज फैंटास्टिक. डू यू लव रेनी सीजन?
Yeah, I love rainy season, but can be sometimes frustrating कि बैटिंग करने ज्यादा मिलती नहीं. कभी कभी you are very excited कि आज मैं बैटिंग करूंगी and then you have to miss the session because it's raining. So, but yeah, the just the weather, I think I had posted a story also some time back कि इस टाइम पे आलू और कांदा का टाइम का अपने आप मूड बन जाता है कि तेल में चले और भजी बनाए. I think I had posted something about it. So yeah, I just feel like you just have a good cup of tea and some bhaji. Of course, we are not allowed to have. तो शायद हाफ पीस खा लेती हूँ मैं just to feel good about it. But yeah, always a good cup of tea and that weather is just amazing. And especially, I think just being home at this time and just being with family इस time पे I don't think we उतना हम लोग इस इस वेदर में और यहाँ पे घर पे रहते हैं हमेशा. We are somewhere or the other playing. So yeah, it's always nice.
Nice time to bond with family. Talking about bhajiyas, well, you love cooking too. तो क्रिकेट हमें पता है 5 साल की उम्र से आप खेल रहे हैं. भजिया बनाना कब शुरू कर दिया आपने?
भजिया एक्चुअली मैं नहीं बनाती हूँ, मुझे थोड़ा सा डर लगता है तेल में डालने से.
अच्छा.
बट या एज यू सेड आई लव कुकिंग. जैसे मैंने क्रिकेट 5 years की थी तब शुरू किया था. आई थिंक आई स्टार्टेड प्लेइंग क्रिकेट, आई स्टार्टेड कुकिंग ऑल्सो व्हेन आई वाज अराउंड 7-8 ओनली. आई वाज क्वाइट फॉन्ड ऑफ. मैंने फर्स्ट चीज सीखी थी वो भिंडी की सब्जी थी because my mom used to go for exhibitions outside. So like 4-5 दिन घर मेरे ऊपर छोड़ के जाती थी कि you manage the whole house kind of. So not like completely but like
हाँ.
somewhere. So yeah, तो मैंने भिंडी की सब्जी पहले सीखी थी and then yeah, बाद में I started enjoying cooking. So I used to mix everything, mayonnaise, ketchup, and all of Szechuan sauce and all of and make a good toast. वो बचपन में होता था ना, we had a lot of free time. फिर बाद
Yes.
में आई रिमेम्बर आई डिड पंजाबी कुकिंग क्लासेस एज वेल जब आई वाज इन
हाँ.
7th 8th स्टैंडर्ड. क्योंकि मुझे काफी शौक था कुकिंग का एंड देन आई वांटेड टू लर्न कि वो होटल में खाना कैसे बनता है. तो आई वांटेड टू मेक दैट काइंड ऑफ फूड एट होम. बट अभी यार रिसेंटली आई हैव जस्ट बीन मेकिंग अ बिट ऑफ दाल खिचड़ी एंड ऑल, नॉट मच. जस्ट उतना ही बनाया है ये लॉकडाउन में.
प्लेइंग क्रिकेट एंड देन कुकिंग, वो भी इतनी बढ़िया बढ़िया डिशेस. Dude, मैं क्या बोलूं स्मृति, I am running out of words. But one thing I want to ask, obviously you saw your dad and your brother playing cricket, and whether I want to know whether that encouraged you, because I've read somewhere that you like science.
Nah, no. I
No?
don't think I never liked science.
So
Um,
never depend on anybody else's research, I would say. Bad choice by me.
no, I never liked science. Actually, that story was like, as I said, I loved cooking. और मुझे I always wanted to open a hotel or restaurant or something of that sort as well along
हाँ.
with cricket. So I
हाँ.
said to my mom that मुझे वो hospitality का course करना है alongside cricket. I wouldn't leave something. I don't want to leave cricket, but I want to do that as well. तो मम्मी
हाँ.
wanted me to be like she always said that एक ही चीज करो बेटा, like don't like try and do a lot of
हाँ.
stuff क्योंकि you won't be good at
Jack of
anything
all
then.
trades.
Yeah, so then I said कि नहीं मम्मा करने दे. Then she kind of fooled me. She was like बेटा देख तू अगर क्रिकेट खेली तो तुझे 4-5 महीना जाना पड़ेगा टूर्स पे एंड ऑल. एंड हॉस्पिटैलिटी का कोर्स सिर्फ साइंस लेने से होता है. So I was like and I was like some 14-15 year or 16 year old. तो मैंने मुझे लगा कि ठीक है चलो यार साइंस लेके तो मैं क्रिकेट खेल ही नहीं पाऊंगी, चांस ही नहीं क्योंकि उतना टाइम आई कैन गिव टू both fields.
हाँ.
Commerce
हाँ.
and cricket was still fine. तो देन आई टोल्ड माय मॉम कि ठीक है मम्मी फिर हॉस्पिटैलिटी छोड़ती हूँ क्रिकेट पे ध्यान देती हूँ. सो या शी काइंड ऑफ फूल्ड मी दैट टाइम. देन आई लेफ्ट दैट थॉट. बट देन एंड शी ऑलवेज सेड कि देख बेटा तू अच्छी क्रिकेटर बन जाएगी तो तू होटल वैसे ही खोल सकती है बट
हाँ.
इट वोंट गो द अदर वे. सो आई वाज लाइक ठीक है मम्मी.
ऐसी इतनी बढ़िया एडवाइस योर मम्मी गिव यू, यू हैव नो आइडिया, बिकॉज यूजुअली पेरेंट्स टेल योर चिल्ड्रन की पढ़ो पढ़ो, एंड योर पेरेंट्स हैव एक्चुअली वांटेड यू प्ले cricket, so that's wonderful, especially
My
coming
mom had
from.
just one idea always. Like she used to always keep telling me, "बेटा जो करना है एक ही चीज करो, और एक ही चीज नहीं, like if whatever you do, try and reach the end of that career. Don't like
Yes,
try and reach the top of that career.
of
Don't
the
leave it
career.
midway." She
हाँ
never liked that कि कुछ चीज आधी छोड़ दी. Even if before she used to put me for classes, कोई भी like extra curricular. She used to always say
हाँ
कि बेटा अगर कंप्लीट किया तो ही डालूंगी, नहीं तो निकल जा. पहले ही धमकी दी हुई रहती थी. तो आई लाइक
क्या
नहीं मम्मी करूंगी पूरा.
यार, आपकी मम्मी का स्वैग मुझे बड़ा पसंद आया। मेरी तरफ से अपने मम्मी को एक हेलो हाय और एक हग दे देना। व्हाट वुमन विद स्वैग, दैट्स व्हाई डॉटर हैज गॉट so much swag. When I saw a photograph of yours with a cap and some makeup done, you looked so hot in that picture, dude. I think it was for Red
I,
Bull, if I'm not wrong. I had seen it
okay,
on
okay,
the
yeah,
name.
okay, that one.
You look
Hmm.
like a total hip hopper.
It doesn't. I thought it would suit me initially because I'm not. I don't have that personality. That swag wali personality. Nahi hai. Mine is like more of like that calm person kind of. So yeah, but when the photos came out, I was like, yeah, not bad. It's not that bad. How much I
Not
thought it would be.
bad. Not bad. Stop being so modest, dude.
अरे
It
I'm
is
not.
hot.
I'm
I
not
really
that.
love it.
I actually still feel कि मुझे like इंडिया की कैप छोड़ के like ज्यादा दूसरी कैप्स इतनी उतना सूट नहीं करती ज्यादा. Like
नहीं, इधर आई वुड डिसएग्री विद यू, क्योंकि मुझे तो बहुत बढ़िया लगी वो फोटोग्राफ आपकी। एंड
I'll
यू
tell
नो,
the Red Bull team. They'll be really happy.
या व्हाई नॉट, गो अहेड एंड टेल देम। लेकिन आई वुड लाइक टू नो, यू आर ऑब्वियसली अ टीम पर्सन, आई वुड लाइक टू नो whom do you think is great with you on the field?
Mm, well, I actually enjoy batting with a lot, all of the batters. ऐसा ऐसा कोई पर्टिकुलर बैटर नहीं कि इट्स लाइक अ डिफरेंट थिंग और समथिंग बिकॉज जब आप बैटिंग कर रहे हो इंडिया के लिए दिस ऑल थिंग्स डोंट मैटर बिकॉज इट्स लाइक ऑलवेज लाइक वी हैव टू विन द मैच. तो कोई भी
Hmm.
पार्टनरशिप इज ऑलवेज फन. आई हैव हैड अ लॉट ऑफ पार्टनरशिप्स विद मिताली दी. आई थिंक वी highest partnerships I think in for from my side is with Mitali Di only. So I love batting with
Okay.
her, especially in one days. I think we have a really good um, पता नहीं हमारा अच्छा अच्छा coordination होता है. And then of course Harry D is there, Jemmy is there now, and now Shefali as well. So yeah, it's always good to bat with all of all of those batters. It's always fun.
And we cannot forget those 2000 one day international fastest women runs that you won, and recently also you have won the Arjuna award at the age of 23. मतलब कैसे कर लेते हैं आप?
क्या पता हो जाता है.
So tell me, who are the people that encourage you and motivate you time and again in life?
Well, it has to be my mom only. As I said, she's a very strong person. And like growing up, it wasn't that easy for us because like Papa and Mummy had a lot of struggles to give us a good life. So just to see my mom working so hard and giving us whatever we wanted, जब इतना situation wasn't that good, that always motivated me. और अभी भी अगर I have to find that motivation, I always think about that time when we used to struggle a bit and go
Uh,
like that dedication which she used to have like 10 hours she used to work on her exhibition ke stuff. She used to make a lot of table mats clips and all of that stuff, and then even
okay,
like
okay.
cook for us, manage the house, so all of that sort. So yeah, always whenever I look at her, even now, like she's like if I eat something wrong, she's behind me. It's completely opposite. Like generally, the athlete is always like, "Mummy, नहीं मुझे ये नहीं खाना है." And mummy will like,
हाँ,
"खा यार बेटा, butter खा ये." And my mom is completely opposite. Like अगर मैंने कोई कुछ खराब खा लिया और गलती से मेरा पेट खराब हो गया तो खत्म. Like 1 घंटे का तो लेक्चर है ही. And that I've
oh,
realized in last 3 months that I'm really scared of her. इन ये 3 महीने में समझा है मुझे.
क्या बात है, तो पर्सनल डाइटिशियन बन गई है मम्मी आपकी।
Yeah, she's. I'm telling you, crazily strict she is with me, and in diet at least. मतलब कभी कभी हमारा उसके ऊपर ही like आर्ग्यूमेंट भी होती तो इस बारे में ही होती है डाइट पे. I'll be like मम्मी और खाने दे मुझे, and she'll be like नहीं बेटा चुपचाप नहीं, अभी तो ये हुआ है, अभी तो वो हुआ है. ऑल ऑफ दैट थिंग, देन आई विल बी लाइक ठीक है चलो अभी कुछ कर ही नहीं सकते ना, लाइक मम्मी का घर है, कुछ को बोल ही नहीं सकते.
Yes, obviously. Yes. And your double trouble partner, Jemima, she has spilled the beans about you कि तुमको सोना अच्छा लगता है, रूम गंदा रखते हैं. उसके बारे में एक सीक्रेट मुझे बताओ आज, अब लाइव.
Jamika, actually, there's no secret. Like her life is out there on everywhere, like Instagram, and everyone knows a lot about her. But yeah, one thing is like she's quite emotional, like बहुत emotional है.
Oh,
In the sense like अगर if she doesn't score, तो उसके चेहरे पे दिख जाएगा कि भाई उसने आज बैटिंग अच्छी नहीं करी है. Yeah, even if she doesn't bat well in nets, you'll understand by her face, or say if
okay.
someone has shouted on her or something has not gone well.
ये बहुत
So
अच्छी चीज बता रहे हो यार तुम, स्मृति. ये थोड़ी सीक्रेट
उसके
होता है
सारे
यार.
खराब चीजें तो उसने सब बता दिए इंस्टाग्राम वगैरह पे कि कभी शांत बैठ नहीं सकती, एंड या ऑलवेज लाइक
So she keeps
आई
her room nice and tidy.
या शी इज क्वाइट टाइडी. आई कांट, एंड ऐसे होते ना खुद के जब घर कांच के बने होते दूसरों पे पत्थर नहीं फेंकते. मैं किसी के किसी के ये वाली चीजों पे मैं कभी कमेंट नहीं करती क्योंकि मुझे पता है कि मेरा रूम साफ नहीं रहता, इट्स गोइंग टू come back to me.
Come back
So,
on you.
but no, she's quite clean. But yeah, she doesn't like taking shower that much. That's one thing. Like she'll just take one shot. Like हम लोग जैसे 2-3 बार ले लेते ना, like कभी
हाँ.
तो. But she's like अगर रेस्ट दे रहा तो she's like अरे कल रात को तो नहाई थी मैं, like that she is. वो चीज एक ही है, but otherwise not that she doesn't take, but she takes it quite late.
Don't cover up. It's okay. It's okay. You have the cat is out of the box.
नहीं उसने
All
मेरे
my
बुराई
cats
की तो
on
मैंने
the.
वही सोच के बुराई की थी.
नहीं नहीं, तुम वैसे भी वो रिलेशन उसके साथ शेयर करती हो, एंड शी इज जेन्युइनली अ वंडरफुल पर्सन. आई हैव नेवर वर्क
एक्चुअली
विद, आई हैव
डबल
वर्क.
ट्रबल पे मैंने उसकी काफी ली है. तो इसके लिए मैंने अभी थोड़ा सा बैलेंस आउट करी हूँ मैं.
अच्छा अच्छा. वैसे आई हैव done 10 years of abacus mathematics calculations, right?
या
That is another achievement, my dear. तुम क्या क्या करती हो यार? But on
नहीं यार,
live
2-3
connection,
चीजें ही करी है. ज्यादा नहीं करी है, पर जो भी करी है पूरा कंप्लीट करा
10
है.
साल दे दिया मैथ्स को. ट्रस्ट मी, अगर मैं लोगों को बोलूं कि
10
टाइप
years
करके
नहीं, आई
बताओ
वुड
कितने
से
लोगों को
6.
मैथ्स पसंद है, सब ना ना ही लिखेंगे.
I think 6 years I did that.
6 years.
जैसे या जैसे I started in fourth standard and ninth, maybe 5 years. Yeah, ninth standard I got the graduation. मतलब 8 levels का
अच्छा.
you do the graduation, तो 8 levels होते हैं UC Mass और abacus में.
ओके
So
ओके.
I was pretty okay in that. I was good, like because I used to love math actually.
वेल, अ जीनियस दैट यू आर. अब हमें थोड़ी सी टेक्निक उसकी सिखाना, बिकॉज ऑन लाइव कनेक्ट इज ऑल अबाउट लर्निंग न्यू एंड learning something new, and I'm sure your fan would love to do that. Guys, please comment and let us know whether you'd like to know it too. I would like you to show us some simple abacus calculation method, simple, which we could use also.
It's quite hard. जैसे मैंने कहा मुझे 5 साल लगे. I can't really teach it in 5 minutes. But
हाँ,
yeah,
not
so
anything,
this is
anything
like
that you like to shout out.
this is the instrument which we use for abacus.
हाँ.
So
Okay.
I think it's the old way. It's the old calculator. जब calculator नहीं
Calculation.
होते थे, people used to use this kind of things to calculate. So
Okay.
either like in the center of it, you can see a small dot.
Yes.
Yeah, so that's the
Yes.
units. So you have units,
Ah,
tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakhs, so like that. So this one bead is
अच्छा.
1. This is 2, 3,
Okay.
4. So when you have to do 5, you have to take this up. This one is 5. Then 6,
हाँ.
7, 8. So I
अच्छा.
don't know if you're getting it, but so
I
yeah,
get it.
this
I
is
get it.
like
It's like 4 and then one slash. That 5 becomes that one
yeah.
ball
So
on
this
top,
is
right?
1, 2, 3, 4 beads, and when you have to do 5, you have to take the fifth one, the upper bead down, and remove the 4. So then 5, then
अच्छा.
6, 7, 8, 9. Then you have to clear
हाँ.
this and go to tens. As I said, the other ones is tens. So
हाँ.
that becomes
Okay.
10. So that way
Okay.
we kind of calculate it. So we can like this is which
Wow.
we should use this for 4 levels, and then it was more about mental stuff. This actually ये बहुत useful हुआ है मुझे, क्योंकि
Okay.
मैं
Yes.
इससे ही मेरा अपना रन रेट एंड कितने रन्स बचे, कितने बॉल्स बचे. सो जनरली इट इज अप देयर एज वेल, बट कभी कभी कोई ग्राउंड्स पे वो लिखते नहीं है.
हाँ.
या नहीं, बट कभी कभी वो स्क्रीन में नहीं होता कि कितने बॉल्स बचे. ओनली समटाइम्स रन रेट इज देयर. तो
हाँ
ये
हाँ
मैं बहुत यूज करती हूँ, एंड स्पेशली डोमेस्टिक मैच में तो काफी यूज होता था बिकॉज उसमें इतना बड़ा स्कोर कार्ड नहीं होता था, सो आई टू
हाँ
यूज
जी।
इट एंड आई टू डू इट लाइक 2 सेकेंड में, एंड जिसको भी पूछना रहता था दे टू लाइक स्मृति कितने बॉल बचे कितने रन बचे, सो
लवली
बैटिंग
यार,
करते वक्त एंड
लवली
ऑल इट्स क्वाइट गुड, एंड इट्स एक्चुअली
लवली।
otherwise also good I would say बच्चों के लिए, because it teaches how to use both of your hands, and that way I think um,
राइट
somewhere
साइड
you
एंड द लेफ्ट
are,
साइड ऑफ द ब्रेन,
yeah,
यस।
you say they say कि आप अगर आप राइटी हो तो आपका लेफ्ट ही यूज होता है, and if you
हाँ
use your
हाँ
left hand also then you kind of activate a bit of your right brain. So in this I
यस।
think they teach us how to write in mirror images as well with both hands थोड़ा
ओह
बहुत. Not that I am
अच्छा
completely I can write, but I'm okay with writing with mirror images and all.
अच्छा, तो जिनको मैथ्स पसंद नहीं है, वुड इट मेक इट इंटरेस्टिंग फॉर देम?
So
आई एम
yeah,
जस्ट
that's what,
आस्किंग, आई एम जस्ट
जिसको वो
आस्किंग।
बोर होता है ना कि वो तीन सम लिख दो और उसको फिर टैली करो, इसको वापस कैलकुलेट करो, सो दिस इज अ बिट मोर इजियर कि आपको बस वो बीट्स ऊपर नीचे करने एंड यू गेट द आंसर. बट या दैट इज
ओके।
द वे आई लुक एट इट. बट अभी पता नहीं जिसको मैथ्स पसंद नहीं, आई डोंट नो व्हाट टू से.
जिसको मैथ्स पसंद नहीं है, प्लीज, अगर तुमको आर्टिस्ट बनना है आर्टिस्ट बनो, क्रिकेटर बनना है क्रिकेटर बनो, डू व्हाटएवर यू वांट टू डू. On that note, Smriti, thank you so much for sharing that with us. I know nobody has ever heard about that you have learned abacus, and thank you for bringing that thing to Live Connect. It really means a lot. On that note, see, there are a lot of fans who had sent questions. I didn't know which one to pick up because I wanted to be
Okay.
fair. So, guys, I have put the question in the bowl, and I am going to pick up one question now, right in front of you guys. So it could be anybody. So the question that I've picked up is, um, okay, okay, Sharan Megha BK. Sharan Megha BK has asked you, what are
What
those
a complicated
qualities?
name. Sharon.
Yeah, you should see the handles that they have. This handle is insane. Very creative, I would say.
मुझे तो मेरा अंडरस्कोर
So
भी कभी कभी याद नहीं रहता यार, सो स्मृति अंडरस्कोर मारना ना वो भी कभी कभी याद नहीं रहता. दिस इज लाइक क्वाइट अ हार्ड थिंग टू रिमेम्बर.
yeah, dude, even I have written my name and then the starting of my surname. जितना fit होता है उतना ही डाला है मैंने ताकि मुझे ही याद रहे. Absolutely spot on. So Sharan Megha BK has asked you, what are those qualities Smriti looks up to in Kumar Sangakkara? Nice question that's come up
Kumar
actually.
Sangakkara. Okay. So yeah, Sangakkara sir has been an idol for me growing up. जब से I think I started watching cricket from 15. उससे पहले I used to just play. तो जब भी देखा
Okay.
तब संगकारा सर को काफी देखा था, एंड आई शुड जस्ट लव दिस कवर ड्राइव. एंड वन क्वालिटी विच आई शुड लव अबाउट हिम इज टू मेक बैटिंग लुक सो सिंपल. जैसे उनको देखते तो ऐसे लगता था कि अरे यार बैटिंग इज सो इजी. सो आई शुड जस्ट लव दैट like elegance he used to have in his batting, just that style, just that fluency. ऐसे like it's be like ऐसे वो बोलते ना हिंदी में मक्खन जैसी बैटिंग, like just like other ball and he's just like kind of timing it. And as a
Yes.
lefty, I used to just kind of be like, अरे यार कैसे कब होगी मेरी batting. So
अच्छा.
that is yeah one quality which I really look up to in
All right.
Sangakkara sir.
स्वीट. वैसे आपकी भी बैटिंग काफी मक्खन जैसी ही है, जिस तरीके से आप रन्स बनाते हैं, स्पेशली इन 2013 व्हेन यू स्टार्टेड 224 from 115 balls, Maharashtra against Gujarat. Who does that? So don't tell me about मक्खन जैसी बैटिंग. You are good enough.
Yeah, no, yeah, it is not comparison, but yeah, one thing which uh, that is one thing which I really try and get it in my game, but बहुत मुश्किल से होता नहीं है, काफी कम बार होता है, but yeah, it's like when you watch him, I think it just I still go on YouTube and kind of watch his batting. So it's just a very good feeling, especially जब मुझे मेरी बैटिंग अच्छी नहीं होती रहती, I'm not feeling good. I go back and I watch his batting, and it's always amazing to watch his batting.
Nice to know that. And everybody who's live, I'm going to give you a chance now. Quickly type a question that you would like to ask Smriti. नहीं तो मुझे ना सब मिलके मारेंगे क्योंकि बहुत लोगों ने लिखा है हमको लाइव एक क्वेश्चन पूछने दो. So I was like, चलो, आपकी जान है स्मृति, तो उनके लिए एक
जाना.
इतना. अरे you don't know the messages that are coming. हम उनसे प्यार करते हैं, हमारी जान है, एंड ये है एंड वो है. आई वाज stunned hearing and sorry, reading the comments that came in. So, Smriti, I want you to pick up one question now from a
I'm
fan.
not really.
I
What
didn't
was
want
your
to put you on the spot, but
19th
I really
board result? What is 19th board result? 19th कौन सा grade होता है यार? I don't know. I think it was 10th. We meant 10th.
Yeah. हाँ, okay. Tell us about that. चलो.
I had got 86% in 10th. So, no, actually that story is also quite funny. So I got 85.68 and तभी फोन नहीं होते थे तो I went to the
हाँ,
net cafe and try and check the score कि कितना
हाँ.
I put my hall ticket and I got
हम्म.
85.68 and I was like कैसे क्या मिल गया I had just studied for like 15-20 days uh, and I called up mom and mummy I was like mummy 85.68 मिले and she just heard कि 68 she was like अच्छा मिल गया तो बेटा and I was like mummy 85.68 and then she's like कैसे क्या तुझे मिल गया दूसरे का तो देख नहीं ली ना तू आई सेड ओके वापस चेक करती हूँ गलती से किसी का हो गया आई एक्चुअली चेक्ड इट अगेन बट देन या आई
Okay.
हैड गॉट 85.68
अभी इसके आगे हम और क्या कहे, सच में और क्या कहे यार, तुमको 85% मिल गए. Very good, I would say. Dude, look
व्हाट्स
at
योर
how
10%?
can I cover my face? Well, it was not bad. It was 82 point something.
Come on, it's not that you are just 4% behind you're behaving like you're around 60s
थोड़ा थोड़ा footage.
yeah yeah
Just kidding, just kidding, just kidding. Okay. All right, Smriti, with that, we now move on to the Mad Rad segment of Live Connect, where I am going to ask you rapid fire questions. You have to be quick, quick, quick. Just be yourself because I have been enjoying this conversation. So, I'm sure it's going to be fun. So, tell me, life without pizza is.
At the moment, it is without it. It's quite boring, especially when you have your cafe and they have good pizzas. So it's always like, अरे यार, it's just like near, it's just quite near, and I still can't go and have it. So it's quite frustrating.
I get where you're coming from because even I love pizza and I have to also stay away from it. But tell me one thing that you fear the most.
Crossing road,
Really?
or
This is
maybe
so
not,
cute.
or maybe not able to sleep. Like I love sleeping, as Jameen would have said. तो मुझे ऐसे डर लगता है कि क्या उस एक दिन आएगा जब मुझे से मम्मी लाइक तू 50 की हो जा बेटा तुझे नींद नहीं आएगी एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट देन आई गेट स्कैर्ड कि अरे यार वो दिन नहीं आना चाहिए एंड इवन क्रॉसिंग रोड्स इट्स अ बिट it's I find it a bit difficult.
Oh, okay, okay, okay. So give me a high five, but give me a high five. Just virtual high five. Because if I don't get more than 8 to 10 hours of sleep, even I get very cranky. So चलो हम लोग foodie हैं, we like to sleep a lot. It's nice to know the similarities with such great people like you.
ग्रेट
अगर
कोई ग्रेट नहीं है यार
तुम मॉडेस्ट बनना बंद करो.
अरे
23 में
मॉडेस्ट
अर्जुन
नहीं
अवार्ड
हुई
सबको
यार
नहीं मिलता
ओके
है
आई
ना,
हैव
है
नथिंग
ना.
टू से
Fine, let's let it be then. Okay, tell me the naughtiest prank you've played on a newcomer.
I'm a very very शरीफ बच्चा I don't play pranks
अच्छा, अच्छा, देख के तो लगता नहीं
well
है.
actually not a prank but महाराष्ट्र में याद है I एक लड़की थी जो no, she wasn't a junior but उसको थोड़ा सा डर लगता था भूत से not that I am not scared I am also super scared of horror movies and all of that बट पता नहीं मुझे
हाँ,
क्या पता मैं उसको स्टोरी बताई कि यहाँ पे एक लड़की थी रहती थी एंड शी जस्ट डाइड एंड कुछ तो हुआ आई डोंट नो आई जस्ट मेड अप अ स्टोरी एंड रात को उसके खिड़की का हमको एक वे मिला था उसकी खिड़की तक पहुंचने का सो वी टू लाइक काइंड ऑफ डू द ऐसे लाइक वी टू नॉक हर विंडो शी टू गेट स्कैर्ड शी टू कम आउट रनिंग और हमने उसको कुछ बोला नहीं फाइनली फिर वो फायर एक्सटिंग्विशर की जो डेंजर का साइन होता है स्कल का जो उसके उस पे उसका फोटो लगा दिया एंड वे लाइक देखो दे आर बिहाइंड यू एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट and then in one day I think 2 days she was quite scared and then I told her कि sorry I was like मैं मस्ती कर रही थी but yeah that was the only time I actually did something of that sort
कितनी शरीफ हो तुम यार स्मृति. ऐसे शरीफ तो मुझे भी बनना है.
actually ये मेरा अकेले का प्लान नहीं था वो 7-8 लड़कियां मिलके प्लान
अरे,
करी थी and I
it's
was
okay,
just
it's okay.
a part of it
अच्छा, it's okay, but good fun, good fun. Now you have to imitate the following. I heard you're a person who likes to enjoy life. So imitate a cat.
I'm not good at acting. I'm not doing this. मेरे से नहीं होगा. इसके लिए जमी, इसके लिए तो हम लोग डबल ट्रबल में शेयर करे थे ना. ये सब सारे एक्टिंग वाली चीजें जमी करेगी. सब दूसरे साथ
अच्छा
मतलब
अच्छा,
जो भी
इसमें
दूसरा
फिर
चीज
एक
होती है.
चीज तो, अच्छा अच्छा, ये रहने दो, ये रहने दो. What about dog?
What I'm not good at acting यार.
I'm
मैं नहीं
just
कर
kidding, I'm
पाऊंगी.
just kidding. अच्छा, let's go to this. Harmanpreet Kaur giving pep talk before the match. How she does it? चलो.
गाइस छोड़ना नहीं है. कुछ भी हो, बॉलर्स प्लान याद रखना. प्लान के हिसाब से आपको बॉलिंग करनी है बस, और कुछ नहीं. ज्यादा एक्स्ट्रा करने मत जाओ. जो बोला है उतना ही करो. कम ऑन गर्ल्स, अपन जीतेंगे. That's like
Yeah.
and in a more like serious tone. Like I am just like kind of being a bit calm but more serious
Okay.
tone. So we all are like, okay, yes, yes, yes.
It was sweet enough. Now Jemmy at a post-win party.
Post-win party. I think she just keep dancing and making people dance.
So
Um,
imitate that, यार.
Come
दिखाओ
on, I
यार.
can't dance. I can't dance. I'm the one.
What? Suddenly you can't dance?
मैं सबका वीडियो निकालती रहती हूँ बस, और कुछ नहीं.
सच में?
हाँ
I
यार, सच
wish I
में.
get a chance to party with you once. ऐसा तुमको नचाएंगे हम.
They just pull me. I kind of do one step and then I go back and sit. So that's the story of all the parties which we have had. Like मैं जाऊंगी, एक step करूंगी, I'll go back and sit. And जिसको वीडियो निकालना है या डीजे के बाजू में जो भी चेंज करवाने सॉन्ग है ना, वो सब I will do that, all of that sort, but डांस नहीं होता.
चलो, कोई नहीं कोई नहीं, आप हमारे साथ पार्टी कीजिए कभी, तो हम भी आपको दिखाएंगे हम कैसे तुमको डांस करवाते हैं. But tell me, when you're sad, what uplifts your mood?
Sleeping, I think. And good food. Like acha, like proper good meal. Like if I've got out and I'm kind of not batting well, so if I have a
हाँ.
good I don't know, meal. Oh, I'm very moody that time. Actually, not that time. I'm quite moody otherwise also. But उस time I'll be like वो pregnant aunties behave करते ना कि pregnant women की, अरे यार मुझे वो खाना है. So I'll become like that कि मुझे वही खाना है. So
अच्छा
I'll make sure that I
अच्छा.
take everyone and go there and eat that food, and then I'll feel better. Then I'll sleep
चलो.
off for like 8-9 hours, and then
Hmm.
next day I get up, I'm all good. I'll forget what has happened. So yeah, these two
You don't know
things
how
make
good
me
I'm
happy.
feeling after hearing that. How good I'm feeling, because I think most women do that, and I feel normal. सब करते हैं बाबा, सब करते हैं. So once the lockdown ends, whom would you run to meet?
Who would I run to meet? I think all the teammates, the whole Indian team. हम लोग कभी 3 महीने we've not been that apart. So yeah, it would be him, because it would be the whole team only. Because
Okay.
क्योंकि दूसरे सारे school friends and all are in Sangli only, and most of
Okay.
them are in Sangli.
Okay.
So family is in Sangli. So yeah, it
Okay.
has to be all the teammates.
Okay. Now my next
Not
question.
जमी छोड़ के सब लोग.
Oh God. No, you don't have to meet her. She'll come to meet you.
Yeah. I remember in KSL we met after 25-30 days. हम लोग अलग अलग टीम के लिए खेल रहे थे, and she was quite sad क्योंकि वो अकेली थी, and उसको
हाँ.
अकेले she was talking to walls and all. इतनी पागल हो गई थी वो, मतलब क्योंकि अकेले वो रह नहीं सकती ना, and उसको वहां पे अकेले छोड़ दिया था.
तो
हेलो,
ये
अकेले
बात
नहीं करा.
बताने की ना पहले.
फॉरेन टीममेट्स थे,
पहले
बट
मुझे. हाँ,
she
सॉरी.
was like, अरे यार मैं क्या बात करूंगी, उतना क्या करूंगी, and all of that. And then हमारी मैच थी again, so we were at the same place. So I said, okay fine,
हाँ.
don't worry, I'll come to meet you. क्योंकि she was quite like बहुत sad थी यार वो बेचारी. तो मैं गई, मैं वो बोली कि स्मृति, I might just jump on you like a kid, like वो छोटी बहन ऐसे बड़ी बहन को मिलके से जंप करती है ना. So I said, don't jump, I will literally like take a step back. That was ऐसे वापस भी हुआ था जब मैंने 100 मारा था न्यूजीलैंड के साथ. She was just about to come and jump on me and just celebrate, and I'm not that person कि ऐसे मैं इतना expressive हूँ. So I like, don't do
हाँ.
that, I'll just step back. तो बहुत बड़ा पचका होगा like टीवी पे.
But it's good that you're honest about it and you're making her aware. नहीं तो सच में हो जाता यार वैसे. But ये चीज तुमने मुझे क्यों नहीं बताई that she's talking to the wall?
Like my memory is not good. ऐसे कोई flow में कुछ नहीं चीज निकल जाती है तो निकल जाती है ऐसे. It's not that कि मुझे वो चीज याद रहती है.
Good. But this is a good trivia that you've given us about
Jamie, we love you, but I would one day not want to see you talking to the walls. You can call any of us. We will answer the
अरे
phone.
सबको कॉल करके हो गया था, फिर भी इट्स अ बिट टफ व्हेनेवर हम लोग केएसएल या बिग बैश खेलने जाते हैं, इट्स ऑलवेज टफ थोड़ा, क्योंकि यू आर अलोन देयर, नॉट यू
हाँ,
कांट टॉक, उतना नहीं बात कर सकते उनसे, आप एक दो घंटे बात कर लो फिर उसके बाद नहीं कर सकते, तो फिर इट्स अ बिट टफ मेरे जैसे पर्सन के लिए, तो इट्स टफ, सो जेमी तो ऑफ कोर्स इट हैज टू
even
बी
me.
टफ।
Even
या
me. Even me. By the way, Jamie shares a birthday with me,
ओह
5th September.
ओह
Yeah.
सो आई डोंट लाइक यू
तो
आल्सो
जो
नाउ।
सारी जो सारी चीजें, इट्स ओके, आई एम ओके विद दैट, आई स्टिल लव यू। वो सारी चीजें तुम मुझे जेमी के बारे में बता रही हो, वो कुछ कुछ है क्लोज टू मी, बट आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू टॉक टू द वॉल्स।
जेमी है वो, जेमी कुछ भी कर सकती है।
अच्छा, tell me, given a chance to date someone, this is hypothetical, huh? Hypothetical. I'm being very specific. If given a chance to date someone from the men's cricket team, whom would you like to date?
नहीं यार, अभी तो सभी ऑलमोस्ट आई फील एवरीवन इज विद समवन और आर मैरिड, सो
It's hypothetical, imaginary, ऐसा।
नहीं यार, नो आई डोंट थिंक, इफ गिवन अ चांस आई वुड हैव डेटेड ऋतिक, बट ही इज टू ओल्ड, सो बट या आई हैव अ बिग क्रश ऑन हिम, बट
I know, I know.
क्रिकेट टीम से आई लाइक, आई डोंट नो, मींस इट विल बी हार्ड टू गो ऑन अ डेट विद अ क्रिकेटर ओनली, क्योंकि विल टॉक क्रिकेट ओनली, सो इट्स सो आई
Boring.
डोंट नो, या नॉट, आई वुडंट से बोरिंग, बट या आई डोंट नो, होगा नहीं, तो इट वुड हैव बीन ऋतिक अगर he would have been somewhere near my age, पर नहीं है, like I have been a big fan of him from कहो ना प्यारे।
वेल, या
हम्म।
कहो ना प्यारे, मैंने 10 बार देखी है यार।
यार मैंने
I-
25-30 बार देखी है।
कितने बार?
25-30 times at least I've watched it. I watched it a lot of times.
ग्रैंड सैल्यूट आपको, आप बहुत,
अभी
सच में
एक्चुअली
बहुत
अभी
बड़े।
अभी 2-3 साल से नहीं देखी है, बट उस टाइम एक टाइम था कि मुझे उसके सारे डायलॉग्स, लाइक आई टू जस्ट, वो सीन आता था एंड आई टू स्टार्ट टॉकिंग अबाउट, लाइक आई टू से दोस डायलॉग्स, सो या।
Yeah. I, no, no, I know the praise of Kahuna Pyare. I kind of understand that. Now complete this song. I don't know how good you are at Bollywood songs. हर किसी को
नहीं मिलता प्यार
नहीं।
जिंदगी में, दिस इज टू बी माई अंडर 19 सॉन्ग, जो मैं बैटिंग से पहले गा के जाती थी।
What?
या
It
या
is
या
absolutely coincidental. I really didn't know about this.
नो या इट इज ट्रू एक्चुअली।
Yeah?
मैं 224 जब मैंने वो सीजन मारा था, द वन व्हिच यू वर
Uh-huh.
टॉकिंग अबाउट, द होल सीजन, आई
Uh-huh.
थिंक ये मूवी आई थी उस टाइम एंड आई वाज, मुझे आदत है जो भी मैं रिसेंटली सॉन्ग सुनती हूँ, तो आई
Uh-huh.
काइंड ऑफ sing it, though I'm very bad, but मैं ऐसे गा के I'll go to bat just to
Change your
calm
mood.
myself down and not to think about batting.
हाँ, हाँ,
And
हाँ।
तो वो
वैसे
टाइम पे ये हुआ था, एंड उसके बाद मैंने गाना गाया और 100 मारा, तो उस टाइम वो बचपन में कैसा ना, इट यूज्ड टू बी लाइक, आई यूज्ड टू बी लाइक, अरे यार ये सॉन्ग कैसे 100 मारा, तो पूरा पूरा आई थिंक 3 महीने मैंने वही गाना गाया मैं बैटिंग से पहले।
it's wonderful because this, I'm telling you, it is sheer coincidence. I have just written this
True,
song
I haven't
out
told
of
anything
my
about
head.
you. I would also say it's coincidence.
So, टेल मी, ये हर किसी को नहीं मिलता प्यार जिंदगी में, जब आप बार बार सुनते हैं ये गाना, किसके लिए था ये गाना?
अरे कोई नहीं यार, आई डोंट नो, आई हैव अ हैबिट ऑफ लिसनिंग टू ब्रेकअप सॉन्ग्स, दो आई हैव नेवर हैड अ ब्रेकअप और एनीथिंग ऑफ दैट सॉर्ट, पर
And
आई
you
डोंट
never
नो
dated
लाइक,
also.
नो नो,
Mhm.
एंड so yeah, my, like right now also I keep hearing to मन भरिया, like 1-2 सालों से, which is a breakup song again, तो I
अच्छा।
don't know, like हमेशा breakup songs की तरफ ही I I don't, क्या होता है पता नहीं, I just feel good about it, I shouldn't be feeling anything because कुछ experience ही नहीं हुआ है कभी, but I just don't know, शायद मेरा भगवान ने मुझे बनाया वैसा है।
आने से पहले मैंने वैसे बोला था ये लड़की हटके है, सच में हटके है। It is not. But somebody had written a comment about some guy called Palash.
Who's that?
I don't know. They wrote that पलाश इतने खास क्यों है स्मृति के लिए। अभी आपके फैन है, उन्होंने लिखा है, मुझे नहीं पता।
I don't know, Palash Khas, maybe it's rhyming, that's why.
Hmm? I like how you're avoiding the question. But tell us now. Come on.
What to say? There's nothing there, nothing there.
All right, all right. I won't rub in that too much. Tell me which brand you would never promote.
Uh, I don't know. I haven't thought about it, but maybe some whichever brand is which is not good for health, maybe like some alcohol or something of that sort, cigarette or
Okay,
alcohol, all of those thought maybe I would never promote.
great. Nice to know that. Describe yourself in one word around people first and then in private. Describe yourself in one word around people. How are you around people in one word?
I'm that like the calm and composed personality when I'm around like people who I don't know much. But yeah, when
Ah,
I'm not around people, I'm quite moody. I'm not like that calm and composed. I can be of different moods. Like I'll be very happy at one point and the next minute I'll be like gone. I'll be like get lost. I'm not talking to you. So I can be a bit a bit bad with that when I know that person very well and I all my friends I would say. So I don't
okay.
know one word, but yeah, this is like the kind of description.
Okay.
But with random people or something, I'll be quite calm and composed, never lose my cool. I'll be very like, हाँ, okay, yeah, like that.
हाँ, वो देखा है इवेंट में जुलाई में जब मिले थे. I was like talkative talking around you and you were like yes, okay, thank you. And I'm like यार ये
Of course,
monosyllable.
I don't know you. I am not a person. Jemmy जैसी नहीं हो यार. I'll be like she can just talk to like जो random person. She's like hi, what's up? And I'll be like do you know that person? Like नहीं पहली बार मिले. I was like okay. मुझे दो तीन बार मिलने के बाद भी लोगों के से मैं I'll be like hi, hello, how are you? ऐसे दूर से ही. So yeah.
You know why I'm laughing so much? Because even I have a habit to talk to random people, and I'm like, hey, my mom is like, you know that person? I said, yeah, that person is my Facebook friend. My mother's saying, are you crazy or what? so, so I completely get that. But my last question for you is, birthday is coming up, and what are your
Yeah.
plans for this birthday? It's quarantine, but what are the plans?
I think 14 दिन ही बचे. I am quite excited. 14 days. मैं I am the person I count down my birthday like 31 days to go, 30 days to go. सब friends को message
Sweet.
करूंगी. I hope the gift is ready. Like people, all my close friends. I'll be like, I hope the gift is ready. भेज देना चुपचाप नहीं तो अपनी friendship खत्म and all. I am that.
So
So, but
sweet.
this year, yeah, I'm home and I think just I might just go out with school friends if we are allowed to. If the lockdown is eased out, it is quite eased out in Sangli at the moment. So
Okay.
I'm not a party person any which way. I just like to go out with people who I care or I love. So शायद चार
Mhm.
पांच लोगों के साथ मिलूंगी maybe go to the cafe. I have a tradition of going to the so I have a cafe named SM18. So I'll just go to the cafe and I'll cut a cake at I think 6-7 o'clock. I don't know क्या होता है वो time भैया decide करता है. And then just
Okay.
spend time with mom, dad, भैया, भाभी, play games. I think that's something which I love about. And actually birthday के दिन उतना time नहीं मिलता यार. Call
हाँ.
पे सबको thank you बोलो. मैसेजेस पे आप थैंक यू रिप्लाई करो नहीं करे तो साल भर सुनाएंगे कि हम इतना क्या हो गया कि अभी मैसेज का रिप्लाई भी नहीं करती सो दैट वे पूरा टाइम तो उसमें चले जाता है.
Obviously, but it's nice that you could join me on Live Connect and all your fans. Thank you so much, guys. Especially all those who donated for Artists for Artists. You can go on their Facebook page and check. And Smriti, can you ask people if they can come forward and help people who are running out of work and in some way possible be a blessing to someone in need.
Yeah, I think you're doing an amazing job and it's for a very good cause. So yeah, I would request all of the people who are watching it or might watch it later, just try and help as many people as you can now, especially the artists. And as you said, go to their page and donate. And yeah, just not artists. I think just help people around you, who are in need at the moment, because this is a time where your actual character will come out in the terms of how you're going to help people. So yeah, I would just say go out and help as many people as you can.
Yes, and Smriti, it was very kind of you. Thank you so much for, although we just worked once, but you were really, you have a generous heart that you could join me on Live Connect means a lot. Thank you so much. I
Yes, yes.
had such a
Thank you
great
for
time.
having me. Thank you so much, and I hope your goal is like fulfilled.
Thank you. It is indeed. Thank you,
Yes,
girl. Thank you so much.
yeah.
You take care
So,
and keep rocking and be this fun, unique person that you are.
thank you. Unique,
And
yeah.
happy birthday in
It,
advance. Happy birthday in
yeah,
advance.
yeah. Thank you. 15 days to go only. I think 14 days. Just saying.
Okay, the countdown. I will remind people I'll post a story and I'll say, guys, I have a photograph with you, by the way, which I had posted earlier. I don't
Yeah,
think you've
Jimmy
seen.
sent me that photo.
Okay,
Yeah,
she did
yeah.
send you.
She did send me.
मैं एक फोटोग्राफ है आपके साथ तो मैं डालूंगी वो 18th of July को and have a healthy year ahead I would say क्योंकि right now it's survival of the fittest.
Yes. Same to you and all people who were watching as well.
All right,
चलो,
thank you so
yeah,
much.
चलो.
Have a great
Thank
week.
you. Bye.
Thank you. Thank you so much, everyone, for joining me. And this season was phenomenal, especially. I would like to thank Adam Gilchrist, Piyush Chawla, Kuldeep Yadav, Jinder Mahal, Robin Uttappa, Jemima Rodrigues, and Smriti Mandana, who made this season oh so interesting, wowsome, and all of you, each and every one of you who's watching me right now, for the support, the love, the comments that are coming in. I hope you enjoyed this conversation with Smriti. And if you would like to see my other episodes, it's on my Instagram, it's on my Facebook page, which is Madonna Tixi. And have a great weekend, guys. Keep smiling. मुझे पता है बहुत लोग स्ट्रेस से गुजर रहे हैं अभी, लेकिन पैसे की मत सोचना, ग्रोथ की सोचना, खुश रहना, हेल्दी रहना और लाइफ में जो कुछ भी हो जाए गिव अप मत करना and just try to be the best version of yourself right now because life is not a race. Life is a journey and let's make this journey nothing but a fruitful one, a happy one. Stay blessed, keep smiling.